Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. If you're frustrated because your GCASH app games won't open, don't worry, there are several quick fixes you can try. Step 1. Start by forcing the app to close completely. Go to your phone settings, find the GCASH app in your applications list, and tap Force Stop. This clears any stuck processes that might be preventing games from launching. Give it about 30 seconds, then reopen the app. Step 2. Clear the app's cache and data. In Settings, go to Storage for GCASH and delete cached files. This removes temporary files that could be corrupting your game experience without losing your account information. Step 3. Check your internet connection because games require stable connectivity. Make sure you're using strong Wi-Fi or good mobile data, and try switching between the two to see if that helps. Step 4. Update both your GCASH app and your phone's operating system. Outdated versions often cause compatibility issues with games. Head to your App Store and download any pending updates. Step 5. If nothing works, uninstall and reinstall GCASH completely. This gives you a fresh installation and usually solves persistent problems. Back up your account information first by noting your login details.